Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing My Merodi holding a heart, perfect for Valentine's Day. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off with an oval on an angle for the shape of the face. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a small oval for the nose. And now for the eyes, let's draw an oval on the left and on the right. And then color both of these in black. And lastly, for the face, let's draw a curve underneath for the mouth. Now let's hop to the outside and let's draw the shape of the head. From the right side, let's draw a curve up, stopping here. And now on top, let's add the flower. Let's start with a curve on top, and then another one next to it on the left. And then two more on top in the same way. And when you're done, you should end up with a 4-petaled flower. And then hop inside and let's add a circle in the center. And that's it for the flower. Next, let's hop down to the bottom left of the head and let's draw another curve up and in. Now let's add the ears on top of the head. Let's start with the curve up, then curve it in towards the flower and back around. Now let's hop on top and let's draw another curve up and back down for the other ear. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath on the bottom left and let's draw a small angle down and another one over on the right. And then close off the bottom with a curve. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the arm. From the bottom right, let's draw a small curve out. Then hop over to the left and let's draw a curve down and out. And then add a curve at the end for the hand. Now behind this hand, we're going to draw the heart. Let's start on top of the hand and let's draw a curve up to the face and back down. Then another curve for the other side of the heart. And one more angle at the bottom. Next, underneath the heart, let's draw another curve for the other hand. That's it for the arms and the heart. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the body. Underneath the hands, let's draw a curve down and in for the belly. Then let's hop over to the left side and let's draw a curve out and back in for the back side. And now underneath, let's add the legs. Let's bring a line down on the left. Then let's curve it over to the right and back up for the foot. And then one more curve on top. Now for the other leg, let's move over on the right. Let's draw a curve down underneath the belly. And then one more curve underneath for the other foot. Lastly, on the left side, let's draw a circular curve for the tail. And that's it for My Merodi. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!